In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Importxml function in Google Sheets. This tool lets you bring specific information from a web page directly into your spreadsheet by using something called an xpath query. Think of it as telling Sheets exactly which pieces of a page you want, like headlines, prices, or links, and letting it fetch them for you. First, let's understand the basic structure. The formula looks like Importxml, then an open parenthesis, the URL of the page, a comma, and the xpath query. Then a close parenthesis. The URL is the full web address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. The xpath query is the instruction that pinpoints the content you want, such as all headings or a particular element on the page. Let's build it step by step. Click into a cell and type equals Importxml followed by an open parenthesis. Next, add the URL. You can paste it in double quotes. For add website URL, then type a comma. If you'd like to keep things tidy, you can also put the URL in another cell and reference that cell here instead of typing it again and again. Just make sure the URL includes the full protocol so Sheets knows where to go. Now add your xpath query in double quotes. An xpath can be simple, like /h1 to grab page headings, or more specific if you are targeting a particular element. If you already copied an xpath from your browser's developer tools, paste it here. Keep your quotes straight and make sure your parentheses are balanced. Even a small typo can cause an error. When you press Enter, you may see a prompt to allow access. Click Allow Access so Google Sheets can retrieve data from the external site. If the page loads dynamically with scripts, some elements may not be available to Importxml, but for standard, static HTML, it works very well. Once data appears, you might want to clean it up. Use functions like trim to remove extra spaces or line breaks. If your results come back combined in a single cell with separators, you can use split with the appropriate delimiter to separate them into columns. Combine these tools as needed so your imported content fits neatly into your sheet. That's the entire workflow. Thanks for watching.